The easiest way to check what version of macOS you're using is to click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and choosing About This Mac. You'll get a window showing all the specs of your computer, including the version of macOS that's currently running on your computer. If you want more info, there's a button for it. Depending on what version you're running, the layout of these menus and windows might look a little different, but the process is still the same. If you'd like to check if there's a newer version available for your computer, go to General Settings and Software Update. If you're on an older version that looks completely different, just look for Software Update with a little gear icon. And lastly, if you want even more details about your system, go to System Report. The About section will have a shortcut here, but you can also launch System Report by simply typing it in your Spotlight search. And there you have it. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more quick, straight-to-the-point guides like this.